to MarineMax of Wrightsville Beach. My name is Dean Ashton, and today we're going to do a walkthrough on a 2026 Boston Whaler 250 Outrage. You'll see in the photos, the boat has white hull sides with the chrome graphics. For power, we've set it up with the upgraded 225 horsepower V6 Mercury's done in white. This has the sea gray interior option on it. At the transom, you have a nice fold-away transom seat that tucks in. Two big fish boxes in the floor. As you make your way into the transom, you do have a freshwater sprayer. Rod storage underneath each gunnel with a tow rail. Behind the helm seats, your live well. Two really nice helm seats with flip-down armrests and bolsters that adjust. At the helm, it says dual 12-inch Simrad screens. Simrad VHF radio, the premium JL audio system, your Mercury SmartCraft vessel view, tilt stainless steel wheel with speed knob, digital throttle and shift, Lenco trim tabs, and a lockable glove box, full glass for weather protection with an electrically actuated vent, and lockable storage overhead, as well as some storage for life jackets. Nice big hardtop with powder coated stanchions. These are integrated right into the console, which is nice to maximize the space to pass through. On each gunnel, you have flip-out trolling seats. Under the console is a vacuum flush head, designated storage for your bow table. This also has a bow sunshade option on it. Bolsters run all the way up to the bow, and as we make our way up to the bow, you have a nice forward-facing seat here with flip-up armrests. This boat is equipped with the bow table and the filler piece. It fills this in area nice for a lounger. Rod holders up in the bow, that'll second for your bow sunshade. This boat is also equipped with the windlass anchor and stainless steel anchor. Real quick look at our 2026 Boston Whaler 250 Outrage. For more information, give us a call at 910-256-8100.